Take a ride in the 2016 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, CD player. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.